Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see week ahead messages for Leo. So watch this video if you're a Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then the link is in the description. So let's do a Celtic cross for Leo for week ahead. So give me the present energy. Let me just put a Celtic cross for you guys and then we will be clarifying it. Ooh, what the hell? Three of Swords, present situation. What is up, Leo? You guys are hurt over something or someone. I see there is a past wound which is still hurting you. There could be maybe a third party situation. Something is bothering you. Okay, Sun card. Alright, that's your card. Wow. So Leo, so far what I see is that there is a past situation that is still bothering you. I see there was maybe a third party situation or something just did not work as per the plan, which has led to a lot of disappointment. And I don't think that this is like a present situation. I see it is a past wound which is still hurting you in the present situation. All right, so this is something which has already happened and it still kind of bothers you. The blockage here in this connection is the Sun card, which shows to me that maybe somebody had a child and that was a blockage, or maybe somebody was just not being very open and honest. Okay, I see this person was hiding things from you, because Sun card is the card of happiness, optimism, being very truthful, being very upfront. So I see somebody was not being upfront, they were not being truthful, this person was hiding things from you, or maybe they were just hiding the fact that they have a child or something about child, or somebody not being their authentic self. I see somebody was hiding things from you and you kind of got to know, because of which the connection has come down, and I see that it is still hurting you. Your conscious goal here in the situation is to basically again get back on track. You're trying to get back on track. You guys are trying to focus on yourself. You're just trying to have your mojo back. Some of you, you're just trying to find new opportunities in life. I see that you're trying to be happy again, because this person has really brought disappointment in your life and you've actually lost your optimism. Okay, this person, after meeting them, you have lost your optimism, you have kind of lost your happiness, and you are just trying to find a way of being happy again. You're just trying to be back on track. You're trying to stand up for yourself, and you're just trying to build your inner strength is what I see. All right, what else? Eight of Swords. But the problem is that it is very difficult. You're just trying to get out of the situation, and you just try to tell yourself every day that I'm going to get out of it and I don't care about this person. But then there is something which still keeps you very, very stuck on this person. Some of you, you might be dealing with another Leo or maybe a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have your emotions invested into this connection. That is why this past wound still hurts you. And if you want to tell me otherwise in the comment section, then you're just fooling yourself, because I see your present situation is Three of Swords, which shows to me that you guys are still hurting over a situation. Like something did not go as per the plan, it still hurts you. And the unconscious influence on the situation is Eight of Swords, which shows to me that you're not able to get out of it. All right, the problem is that you're trying to get out of it. You're trying your best. Of course, the Strength card, you're trying to your best to basically stand up for yourself, find your mojo, find your inner strength, and just kind of turn the situation in your way and try to do things. You're just trying your very, very best, but then there is still something which is keeping you stuck. But you know, the good thing is that you can get out of the situation. The problem is that you're just getting into that self-sabotaging energy, or you're just trying to self-victimize. All right, so you feel that everything bad in this world happens to you, and why does it happen to me? So you're in that victim mode. The moment you kind of take charge for the situation, and you just make up your mind that no matter what, I am going to drag myself out of this situation, and I'm not going to do pity on myself, and I am going to find my willpower, and I'm going to build my inner strength. You will get out of the situation. All right, so as much as you are thinking that everything is blocked and there is no hope, that's not the truth. All right, the truth is that you're not seeing the situation for what it is, because I can understand you are in the Three of Swords energy where you're kind of mourning a loss or whatever, but you can obviously get out of it, because Eight of Swords is actually imprisonment because of your own thoughts. So maybe you're overthinking situations, you are overestimating things, you just like things are worse and nothing is going to happen, etc., etc. Stop doing that. Stop talking to yourself negative stuff and stop basically self-sabotaging things. All right, Leo? All right, some of you are also holding back to memories or situation or this past person very tightly, which is not letting you move forward or which is not letting you go ahead in life. So stop doing that. Maybe let loose for some time. All right. All right, let's see what is coming towards you next. Three of Cups. I see good times coming towards you, maybe in next 3 weeks or 3 months at max. I see good times coming in. So don't worry, whatever you feel very, very stuck in right now is not going to stay in there, because you will be having some moments of joy. I see that whatever you're trying to find your mojo here, like I already said, you're trying to find that inner strength and you're trying to find happiness again. You are going to find that happiness again. So don't have to worry. It's just that you have to stop overthinking, stop self-sabotaging, stop self-victimization, and that is when you're going to find, there is one very beautiful quote that whatever you seek is seeking you. So if you seek happiness, happiness will seek you. If you seek for solution to your problems, the solutions will come. But if you will keep on saying things like I have a problem, I have a problem, I have a problem, then it is going to multiply. All right, and then problems are going to find you. So whatever you will seek you in return. So keep that in mind and stop this energy. I see in the coming times what is coming towards you is Three of Cups. So I see that you guys will be able to find that happiness. I see some of you will be meeting your friends. There could be a possible reunion as well. So whatever is hurting you will clarify. So maybe some of you, there could be a possible reunion, but otherwise I see that you will be just socializing, you will be meeting people, and you will be just indulging into some light-hearted moments with people. All right. Now let us see this person's intentions towards you. Six of Wands, I was just sensing that. I see some of you, this person will try to come back into your life. Some of you, it's a water sign, fire sign. Somebody is just seeing you as someone who's very abundant and beautiful. I don't know, like I see that you are in this Eight of Swords energy. Mentally, you feel very, very stuck. But the good thing is that you're not letting people know that you are stuck and you are struggling with something. You are just putting out a very strong side of yours. I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you're putting things on social media, or just people around you think that you're doing really well. Some of you, you're doing really, really well in your money or career. Like you appear as someone who's very strong and somebody who has their shit together. And that is why people around you are not able to guess that you're going through a very difficult situation. And your person, they are keeping tabs on you, and this person also thinks that you are doing really, really well. And in spite of all the drama that they had thrown your way, you have still managed to be an Empress or in the Empress energy. And we already have 2 Leo cards here, which definitely show that no matter what happened, you have been able to retain your position. And that is something which this person is seeing, and that is why they want to come towards you. I see that your person thinks that you're in a very strong position, both financially and mentally as well. All right, this person is not realizing that they have done so much of damage to you. And I mean, they might realize, but they are like, Leo did not get affected. So this person has a preconception that preconcept notion that Leo was not affected, or Leo just managed to come out very, very strong. And maybe you are doing something which is strengthening this belief of this person that you were not affected. And Leos are very strong people mentally, emotionally. So yeah, you have been able to convince this person that you don't give a fuck. I also see that you're closed off from any sort of drama, and you're heavily, heavily focused on money and your stability. Some of you might also be having issues with your career presently, which is causing you some sort of anxiety. But what is coming towards you is a lot of stability and position. All right. So I see your money is going to improve drastically. And if you have been applying into jobs, I see you will be getting some sort of managerial position or very good position where your money is going to increase tremendously. So whatever money wise or career wise is bothering you is not going to bother you as much, because I see not only you will be making more money, you will be in a very good position as well, where you will be giving directions to people. All right, so don't worry about that. Some of you, you're just trying to isolate yourself from this hurt, and you're very heavily focused on money and stability. You're just trying to make yourself stable, and I see that you are successful in doing that also. That is why your person coming towards you think that you are very victorious and you are basically winning battles. This person is seeing you win different things in life, and this person be like, oh my god, Leo is killing it. So yeah, I see that you have been able to manage your hurt really well, and you have basically turned your adversities into advantage, which is good. Okay, what is this person's next action towards Leo? Hanged Man. This person is still thinking and contemplating as to how they can approach you. I see this person has not been able to move on. This person still is stuck on you and they think about you. Some of you, this person also thinks that you are the one who betrayed them, or maybe because you're doing so well, so now they're bitter about it that Leo left me or I left Leo, but Leo is still thriving. Some of you, this person is kind of still stuck on you and they're also bitter, or they think that you ditched them or you did them wrong because you started doing well. This person is like, did I play or did I get played? So this person is feeling like whether they are played, they played you, or you played them. This person is having those kind of thoughts. I see this person would want to take things back to you, like whatever it was with you, to what it used to be. This person will, yeah, see the World card. I see this person would still want to go back and complete the cycle with you. They are not able to move on. This person is still stuck, so they want to kind of repeat the cycle. You know, World card is basically ending the cycle, but with the Hanged Man it is repeating the same cycle. This person is not over you, they are still thinking about you. And some of you, this person might also come back and tell you things like, so what, I left you, but you are doing well. I don't think you are, concerned. I don't think that anything wrong happened to you. So they might actually tell things of that sort as well, because you have made them realize that you don't care. You are coming out as someone who's very strong. However, when it talks about your emotions in reality, you feel chained. You still feel chained, but you have been able to convince them that you are the Nine of Pentacles and not the Eight of Swords. That's the beauty of Leos. Only Leos can do that. They might be fighting a battle inside, but they will not let others know about it. Empress, again, what are you doing for your abundance? Some of you guys are going to be in a creative field, or you're going to make a lot of money. Again, the Ace of Wands. I see you guys might be starting something new in your career, which could be very creative, or which could be very out of the box kind of thing, like nobody in your family or friends did that, or I don't know, it could be very creative, very sudden, and I think it's going to give you a lot of money. Some of you, I also feel that if you're trying to not risk a situation because you feel that you will take a safe path, so the message is that try to take that risk, because if you will take that risk, it is going to give you shitload of abundance. But if you try to block things and you're like, let me take the safe way and let me not try to take the risk, it might actually backfire you. So if you want to get out of this kind of stuck situation, take the freaking risk. Alright, you will be getting an opportunity to take a risk in your career, take a risk towards a more creative project, or to start something new, and you might just spend a lot of time contemplating whether this is good or not. Your message is to go forward. Alright, and if you are having anxiety that what will happen to my career, what will happen to my money, your wishes are being granted. With the Seven of Pentacles, I see you'll be making very good money. All right, and it's going to be unexpected as well. So you might not have been thinking about it, because right now I see that you are in this anxiety energy, but you are attracting abundance and you are attracting shitload of money. Transfer some to my PayPal. All right. All right, so what's the future between Leo and this person? Then we'll see for singles as well. You don't want, see, this bitch wants to communicate. This bitch is desperate to communicate with you. And we also have the Queen of Wands. Some of you, if you feel that you were the only one who was hurting in the situation, that's not true. Because I see this person also is hurting, as we saw the Five of Pentacles being their energy. So I see that this person might have done you nasty or whatever, but this person is also feeling the pain of the separation that you both had. And this person is also in some sort of despair, and they want to fix things with you. This bitch wants to communicate. They want to come in rushing and communicate with you. Eight of Wands is their next energy towards you. That's your future. I see some of you, there will be a lot of back and forth messages between both of you. You feel this is over. They are here. They are not going anywhere. They are like, tick, 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 I am here. And this person, some of you, they will also talk about marriage and etc. So be ready that somebody is going to be very changed. So I see a fuckboy basically turning into a husband, or fuck girl turning into a wife kind of situation here. And this person is also feeling the pain. You are in the 8 of Swords energy. This person is also in the 5 of Pentacle energy. They are confused. They are like, how do I approach the Leo? But they will. 8 of Wands is them coming towards you with communication. Some of you expect this communication in 8 days, but some of you it can also take 8 weeks. Alright? A very desperate energy of communication coming towards you. Judgment. See, they want to repeat things with you. 2 of Cups. This person would want to repeat the whole cycle again with you because they think it's not over. So you feel it is over, but this person still has a lot of emotions, overflowing emotions. And they want to talk. They want to talk. Alright, give me a message for Leo, please. Passion. See? Wasn't I telling you this? This person has a lot of passion, not giving up on you. If you think this is over, you're highly mistaken. Alright? So yeah, I see somebody wants to desperately talk to you. Alright, let's see for my singles. What is coming towards my single Leos, please? Devil? Singles, are you up for a hookup? I see that you might actually get somebody like a friends with benefit kind of situation. There could be some of you, there's a secret admirer. This person has a lot of passion for you, but they cannot tell you. Like, this person is very sexually attracted to you. I'm not saying they're a fuckboy, but I see that this person is more on the sexual side rather than love and emotions. This person might be emotional, of course, but they have more on the lust side, you know. 4 of Pentacles. I see that you are not as much interested in love. You might have ended something in love recently. That is why you're not looking for something very serious, or you're not prepared for love or whatever. But there could be someone coming towards you who would be very obsessed. This person is also very sexual. They're very sexually attracted to you. They have secret admiration for you, but they're not able to tell, but they will tell you. I see a possible hookup in the future is what I see. Some of it could be a Capricorn, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And I see you guys being very, very concerned on your money, and you will be making a lot of money. So your money looks really, really good. Single or not single Leos, I see your money is improving drastically. So that's what I see. And it's a very beautiful reading. So I hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.